Next, let's make our enemies actually move. So we're going to use a project called A* Pathfinding. And you can find the professional version on the asset store, but if you head over to aarongranberg.com, you can get the free version. And they have a light version available. So I'll download that. And let's import that into our project. And so now that the A* project is in our project, let's go ahead and add a new empty game object. We'll call this A*, and we'll add a path finder object to it. And next, let's add a grid graph. Then we can open up the details of our grid graph, and let's set the size to slightly bigger so that it covers our entire play area. So I'll set that to 30 and 30. And then make sure to reset the position of the A*. And then I'll set center to 0 and Z to 0. And then I'll just hit scan. And you can see that it's still slightly off, so it's actually our cemetery that isn't centered, and that's fine. We can just eye it. So we still need to make it slightly bigger, so I'm going to go with 35 by 35, and then I'm just going to eye it in position. And we'll go with 40. It seems to be wider. Something like that. And now let's just hit scan one more time. And there we go. And so this grid represents areas which the AI will walk along, and all these lines represent a potential path. Now notice that some of our objects did not create gaps in these grids, which they're supposed to. And in this case, we can just increase the resolution of our grid. And we can increase the resolution by decreasing the node size. So what I've done is set it to 160 by a depth of 180. And then to test this, what we'll do is we'll go to our cube and simply add in the AI follow script. Hit replace if it asks you to replace it. We'll set the first person controller to the target, and then we can hit play and test it.